Have you ever wondered what it would be like to receive a message from an extraterrestrial civilization? What if I told you that we might have already received such a signal? Welcome back to Mhistory, where we explore the mysterious and captivating tales of our universe. Today, we dive into one of the most intriguing space mysteries of our time, the WOW signal, and another, even more baffling signal discovered recently. Stay tuned, because this story is bound to leave you questioning everything you know about the universe. On August 15, 1977, astronomer Jerry Ehman was working on a SETI project at the Big Ear Radio Telescope of Ohio State University. The telescope was scanning the skies for potential signals from extraterrestrial civilizations, listening for radio waves at a frequency of 1420 MHz. This frequency is significant because hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe, naturally emits radio waves at this frequency. If an advanced civilization knew the properties of hydrogen, they might use it to send a message. During his shift, Ehman noticed something extraordinary. The telescope picked up a signal that was incredibly strong and appeared to originate from the constellation Sagittarius. The signal lasted for 72 seconds. The entire duration the telescope scanned that part of the sky. Ehman was so astonished by the signal's strength and characteristics that he circled it on the computer printout and wrote "WOW" next to it, giving the signal its famous name, the WOW signal. Why was the WOW signal so intriguing? Its intensity and narrow-band nature set it apart. It was at a frequency close to 1420 MHz, where hydrogen emits radio waves, but it was much stronger than the background noise. Additionally, the signal was confined to a very narrow range of frequencies, a feature rare in natural sources of radio waves. Despite extensive efforts to detect the signal again, it was never observed or replicated, leading to various theories and speculations about its origin. One of the most exciting possibilities is that it could have been an intentional transmission from an extraterrestrial civilization. To this day, the origin of the WOW signal remains a mystery. But what if I told you we have found another signal, and this one is even stranger and more intriguing than the WOW signal? Welcome to Mhistory, where we explore these fascinating mysteries. This new discovery has sent the scientific community into a frenzy. Somewhere out in space, something has been sending us radio signals that don't match any known natural phenomena. For decades, mysterious radio wave pulses from deep space have been hitting Earth. Scientists who recently discovered them have no concrete explanation for their origin. What's strange is that these bursts of energy, varying in brightness, have been occurring like clockwork approximately every 20 minutes, sometimes lasting for 5-minute intervals. This discovery was made by a team of astronomers from the International Center for Radio Astronomy Research, and their findings were published last year in the journal Nature. The signal, named GPM J1839-10, has scientists baffled. Believed to come from around 15,000 light-years away, the signal has been occurring at intervals and for a duration previously thought impossible. This remarkable object challenges our understanding, said lead scientist Dr. Natasha Hurley-Walker. How did they find it after so many years? The story starts in 2018 when astronomers first detected similar signals from another source, repeating every 18 minutes. By the time they analyzed the data in 2020, the source had stopped producing radio waves. Anticipating they might find another long-term radio source, the team used the Murchison Wide Field Array Radio Telescope in Western Australia to scan the Milky Way galaxy every 3 nights for several months. They didn't have to wait long. A new source was discovered in a different part of the sky, repeating every 22 minutes with 5-minute pulses. This prompted astronomers to look back in time, studying records at the Very Large Array in New Mexico. They discovered the source's pulse was first observed in 1988. What's even more extraordinary is that the signal went undetected for over 3 decades. Scientists still haven't determined with confidence what it could be. Could this signal be extraterrestrial? Before jumping to conclusions about aliens trying to contact us, let's examine other theories researchers have proposed. The most likely culprit, according to researchers, is pulsars, neutron stars that blink and rotate like lighthouses, emitting energetic beams as they rotate toward and away from Earth. However, there's a problem with this theory. Pulsar stars slow down over time, their pulses growing fainter with age until they eventually stop producing radio signals. The object detected resembles a pulsar, but spins 1,000 times slower. Another explanation could be magnetars, a rare type of neutron star with extremely strong magnetic fields that can produce powerful bursts of energy. However, this theory also has its drawbacks. Until recently, all known magnetars released energy at intervals ranging from a few seconds to a few minutes, far more frequently than the 22-minute intervals of this object. Magnetars typically generate radio waves for several months before stopping, not for 35 years and counting. Researchers note that it shouldn't be possible for this object to produce radio waves at all, as it is spinning too slowly to generate such emissions. To determine the cause of this mysterious pulsing, astronomers say additional observations and studies are needed. "Whatever mechanism is behind this is extraordinary," said Hurley Walker. Amidst the thrilling discoveries and baffling mysteries, there's another significant aspect to consider: the potential implications for our understanding of the universe. If these signals are indeed from an extraterrestrial civilization, it could mean that we are not alone in the cosmos, fundamentally altering our perception of our place in the universe. The signals could represent a form of communication or a technological signature, providing us with invaluable insights into the technological advancements and societal structures of other civilizations. Alternatively, if these signals are a natural astrophysical phenomenon, they still hold the potential to revolutionize our knowledge of cosmic events and the behavior of celestial bodies. Either way, the continuous study and analysis of these signals push the boundaries of science and ignite our imagination about the possibilities that lie beyond our planet. Could this be signals sent by beings from another world? The radio signals are coming from 15,000 light-years away, likely from the Scutum constellation. Assuming it's a magnetar, it shouldn't be possible for this object to produce radio waves, but we are seeing them. And it's not just a little blip of radio emission. Every 22 minutes it emits a 5-minute pulse of radio wavelength energy, and it's been doing this for at least 33 years. Since the object is spinning too slowly to produce radio waves, could it be a Dyson sphere? Based on the way the light is twisted in these signals, they seem to be coming through a highly magnetized environment. So what is it? Pulsars, magnetars, extraterrestrial signals? Only time will tell. By examining other objects in the data, researchers might understand the mechanisms behind these emissions. For now, the signal's nature doesn't fit any models that attempt to explain it. Whatever it is, it's some really cool astrophysics that we don't yet understand. The fact that it has been sending signals for 30 years is remarkable in itself. What do you think? Are these naturally occurring signals from a source we have yet to learn about, or could this be the contact we've been waiting for? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Mhistory for more fascinating stories from the past and beyond. This is your space. Join us on this extraordinary journey.